Good morning, peeps. This is the coffee shop, and I'm just kind of out right now. It's about 5 a.m., and I'm looking at Bitcoin as we speak. What I'm looking at right now is this bull rally going on. I'm set for a 4-hour time chart, and hope you can see what's on my screen. But what I'm looking at is that we are actually in a bull trap. This is not the reversal of the downtrend in the crypto market. You are not looking at a reversal. It is still a bear market overall. So do not get tricked into thinking that this is something it's not. So what we're doing right now is I am taking a long with leverage on Bitcoin over to about 25,000. The reason I say it's a bull trap is that if you can see here in the coffee shop crypto indicator that I've created, is that price is continuously rising, but it is trading and closing just below the VWAP. The VWAP is that orange line down there, and the RSI is just above it continuously. While it keeps breaking trend over and over again, price is never actually reaching the VWAP line, and it's been doing that even when it went into the downtrend. This was just creating liquidity to do a massive pump right here. And if you look back further, there was just a little bit of actual trading right here on this candle on June 22nd at 7 a.m. But then after that, price kept trading and closing above the VWAP in a downtrend. So do not get tricked. This is a bull trap, and for price to be in a good stance, you need to be opening. If you're in a bull market, then you need to be opening below the VWAP and closing above it for your entries. So do not get tricked into thinking this is going to go long term. This is not the reversal. So I am taking this to 25,000, and after that I'll reassess and see what happens. But in that range, you should have this area that I call the drop zone, which essentially is this 23,000 area and goes all the way up to, I think, 26. Let's say, so it's about 23,300, and it goes all the way up to about 27,600. In that area, there's never been any real interest in pricing, in buying or selling. It's really just been a cascade. Early on in the previous year, it was a cascade up, and even now, this year, in that same range, it's a cascade going down. So once it reaches that level, we have to look for extremely long positions, and you have to be very cautious to make sure that you're getting out somewhere around the 26,900. Of course, banks like trading in round numbers, so you're probably going to want to be getting out in like 26,500. I'm going to go for 25,000 right now on Bitcoin, and after that, I'm just going to reassess what's happening. So